What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a slight restoration of these Devin Booker Air Force Ones. But make sure you guys come back on Thursday. I have a sick ass project waiting for you guys. I brought on my good friend Jordan Diaz from Las Vegas to build a Jordan 1 from ground up to honor the holiday. You're not going to want to miss this one, stay tuned for Thursday. Now for today's project, these aren't just any Devin Booker Air Force Ones. These are actually samples that belong to his little sister, Maya. She's worn these a lot these last couple of years. As you can see, they're pretty beat up. I'm sure you guys are wondering, why doesn't Devin Booker just buy her a brand new pair? Well, it's simple. It's really hard to find a 6.5 in brand new condition anywhere online. That's why we're gonna work our magic. So without further ado, let's get it started. First things first, we're gonna put the left shoe to the side for before and after purposes. Next, we're gonna take out our lace, insole, and tag so we can give those a thorough clean separately. Got the accessories out, the shoe does need a deep clean inside and out, but before we get there, we're gonna remove all the yellowing from the sole. There's a lot of heavy oxidation going on, so we're gonna be using our Revive, Saran Wrap, and the UV Rays from the Vick 2000. We're gonna apply it, let it sit there for a few hours, get all the yellowing out. Once that's fully done, we're gonna scrub all that off during the cleaning. A lot of the times I do the cleaning first and then apply the Revive. The thing is, there's not a lot of gunk on the sole, so it's okay to do that step first. Good to go. We apply the Revive to one side. We're gonna put in the Vick 2000 for a good 2 to 3 hours. Once that's done, we're gonna flip it to the sole, do the same thing, and then flip it to the other side, so it's gonna be 3 total sessions. Once we're done with that, we'll come back and move on to the cleaning. After about 24 hours, we got the shoe out of the indoor setup. I did 3 different sessions, one on the outside, inside, and the bottom. So you can see, comparing them to the before, there's a huge difference. We got them back to that original off-white tone. Next step, we gotta focus on the deep clean. We're gonna be using our Shoemaker Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit to give the shoe a full deep clean inside and out using the washing machine. First things first, we're gonna insert our shoe tree into the shoe to start reshaping the toe box. After that, we're gonna grab our compressor and blow off any surface dust so we don't further push it in during the deep clean. Prep work's complete. Next step, let's grab our 4-ounce bottle of solution, squirt 2 squirts inside our bowl of water. To start, we're gonna be using our soft bristle brush. The uppers on the shoe isn't really that bad. The main issue is the tongue. As you can see, there's a lot of deep stains we gotta get rid of, and the sock liner. The sock liner has a lot of dingy spots, so using the soft bristle brush, we're gonna get all that stuff out. Uppers are looking great. We're gonna move on to the medium bristle brush to give the sock liner a deeper scrub. The stiff bristle brush does a great job, but sometimes the brass bristle brush does a greater job getting inside the textured sole. Cleaning is complete. The sole, the upper, and the insides look great. Originally, I talked about putting the shoe in the washing machine, but honestly, after looking at this shoe and how well the cleaning turned out, it doesn't need it. So what we're gonna do next is put the shoe outside underneath the Arizona sun, let it dry so we can come back and finish up this restoration. I actually forgot one more thing. Before we let the shoe dry, we got the insole and the lace we gotta take care of. For the insole, we're going to be using our medium bristle brush to give it a good scrub, and for the lace, we'll clean it up with our leftover water and solution. All done with these 3 parts, these are going to go inside our single laundry bag. We're going to put them in the washing machine to give them a full deep clean. Can't forget our detergent pod. Back in a bit. Got the shoe fully dried, we let it sit out there for a good 4 to 5 hours. The biggest difference that I can see on the shoe is the sole. It's back to its original tone thanks to our Rejuvenator Sole Revive and the solution. We got the stitching back to white, and thanks to our brass bristle brush, we got every single piece of grime off the sole. The uppers also turned out great. The sock liners were super dingy all around, specifically all around the edges. There were some brown marks that we were able to get off thanks to our soft and medium bristle brush. Also, the toe box looks a million times better. That's from a combination of using the shoe tree and giving the shoe a good deep clean and letting it sit in there during the drying process. And lastly, we got the suede all cleaned up. Right now it's a little rough. We got to get it back to its original soft texture. So we'll be using our medium bristle brush real quick to brush it off. Easy stuff, good to go with that step. Real quick, we're gonna take care of some details. On the original insole, as you can see, there's a little adhesion stuck on there. That's because the size tag was not removed. We're gonna be using some acetone and cotton balls to finish removing it. Details are complete. Now I wanna talk to you guys about this Devin Booker Air Force One design. With wear and tear, the top light blue coat will eventually start to fade off, revealing the dark blue underneath. You can already start seeing it around the edges of the toe box, the crease marks. I'm not gonna go in and repaint those areas because that'll defeat the whole purpose of the design. Plus, I like those details. Let's go ahead and wrap it up by lacing them up. Alright guys, that is going to bring us to an end on this quick and easy restoration of these Devin Booker Air Force Ones. These were cool for a lot of different reasons. 1, these are Devin Booker's sister shoes. 2, these are samples. And 3, they cleaned up really nicely all around. I had to get on this restoration quickly. She needs them back for game 1 against the Clippers on Sunday. For this restoration, originally I was going to use the signature shoe cleaning kit, but I ended up using the essential shoe cleaning kit to make this project happen. You can find both of these kits and the rest of our products at rejuvenator.com. Use my promo code down below to save some money. And don't forget you guys, I'll see you guys on Thursday for this special 420 Jordan 1 build. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys next time.